Ninja Woodfire making too much smoke? Here's why. Seeing way more smoke than usual, or it smells burnt instead of flavorful? Here's how to get it under control. Step 1. Check that you're not using too many pellets. Only add pellets up to the fill line in the smoke box. Overloading it creates thick, uncontrolled smoke and may lead to flare-ups. Step 2. Clean out old ash and grease buildup. Grease around the heating element or leftover ash in the burn pot can burn and create extra smoke. Let the grill cool, then clean the smoke box, drip tray, and interior. Step 3. Make sure you're using the right pellets. Only use food-grade hardwood pellets. No softwood, no wood chips, and no soaked pellets. Cheap or damp pellets often cause billowing smoke or uneven burn. Step 4. Avoid closing the vents or covering the unit. Blocking airflow increases smoke and traps heat. Always cook with the lid closed, but leave air pathways open. Excessive smoke is usually a fuel, airflow, or cleanup issue. Easy to fix once you know what to look for. If this cleared things up, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast help that actually works. And if you want to keep your grill clean and burning smooth, we've linked a pellet-safe vacuum in the description that's great for clearing ash. Thanks for watching, and smoke steady.